doing today, everybody? I am back with what you requested. Didn't even have to fight Jordan for this one, if you know what I mean. A blast from the past, you bet. A blast from the past, right from your favorite site, BassBoatCentral. Are you ready? Here you go. We're ready. I went and I found myself a 203 champion for you guys. A 2002, Jordan, everything's black and white. Budget cuts. Budget cuts.
You're out of colored ink.
I'm not out of colored ink. It's your budget. Your budget's failing. Anyway, we've got a 2000 champion 203 with a 2007 223 Evinrude E-Tech HO for you. That's right. We've got an Evinrude. The only reason that we're doing this one is just because of the boat, people. I thought it was a good deal. So, are you ready? I went over and I slide it down. Actually, I didn't. Jordan did. He runs the computer. I just point. We went to BassBoatCentral, of course. Talked to the fine people there, which is nobody. Just saw the little website thingy. We went on there. We found that champion. It is Cameron. He's got that over there. Here we go. It comes with a Bob's hydraulic jack plate. Doesn't say what size, but it just says Bob's jack plate. It's got a Minn Kota Fortrex 101. It's got the 101 Fortrex. We've got some, we got 1199 CI HD at the bow. End console. We got a 3-bank charger. Huge. When I say huge, I mean huge. Tackle organizer and rod organizer. Holds 20 plus boxes, 10 plus rods. Boat's very well maintained. It did look like it was in really good condition, like super good condition. Had new champion seats last month. Carpet's in good shape. One bad spot on the carpet. One little bad spot, like maybe someone was spitting their factory stuff and maybe super glue. Tying your swim jigs on, maybe putting your trailers on. I don't know what it is. I didn't really get into it, but it's got one bad spot. He disclosed that. Single axle trailer, which could be the only downfall, but some guys really like the single axle trailer because when you get it in your garage, you're not and it's fighting you, wants to blow your shins off, you know, you can just wheel it right in. So single axle trailer, which like I said, some people like, some people don't like. Everything's runs, good shape, everything la-di-da-di-da. The 2000 with the 07 E-Tech, didn't this one have hours on it, Jordan? No, this one didn't have hours on it. That was the other one. That was the one that you wanted to do and I said no. So we'll maybe do that one later. This one didn't come with any hours, but 2,203 for 17 grand. Yeah. Drive that sucker for a couple, you know, years. The Evinrude goes boom, lays down, take that off, throw it in the bin, buy your favorite dream motor, whether it be a Mercury, whether it be a Yamaha or a Suzuki or in any other order, Daihatsu. I don't care, Honda, but you can put it right on this boat and have a great boat for a long time. So, bam, there you go. And you can always sell the lower unit to a guy that has an Evinrude because the lower unit went on his, so then he's got a backup and it's not as expensive because they don't make them no more. So instead of 8 grand, you can get one for 2 grand and you make a little bit of money. And yeah, here you go. You know where I'm going with it. The Evinrude's gonna go away in time. You're gonna have to repower it. You'll have 17 grand into it. Let's say you get 2 grand back. You got 15 into a haul and trailer, which is in good shape. New seats. Carpeting's okay, got one spot. You put another 15-ish into it, you got 30 grand into it. You got a good boat, tournament ready to rock and roll. Able to go up and down the creek, do what you want to do, tournament fish, take your sweetie out for a nice ride, maybe. One hand on this side, one hand on the wheel. Opposite of your car, you know, see how this goes. It's kind of boating, car, boating, classic car. Chick over here, wife over here. No, my bad, not going there. All right, but, so you know, so you can do that. So 2000, so, you know, after it's all said and done and the Evinrude takes a shit, beep, takes a shit, beep, one more time, you throw that in the bin, make it a beer can. Bud Light will take it and shink, you get a blue can instead of a blue motor. All right, so you get that. You can put your Mercury, your Daihatsu, your Honda, your Suzuki, your Yamaha, your Evo. Evo, you're not gonna put an Evo on there. No. But you can put all that stuff on there, you have all 30 into it, so I think it'd be a good deal. The boat's in really good shape. BassBoatCentral's got it. Go take a look at it, see what you think. But wait, there's more. Just because I'm a champion guy and I know there's a lot of champion people out there, I found another one for you. This is a 1999 Champion 193 Elite. 193 Elite with a 2013 200 Mercury Pro XS. This one's in Arkansas, I think. Doug's got it in Arkansas. Comes with a 23 Tempest, right height jack plate, so not hydraulic. It's got an 84 tricks on it. It's got two HDS 8s at the with side imaging and down plus sonar. Lowrance LMS 520C, which is a little bit older model, but guess what? You didn't have to send them in too much. New charger, new lower unit in 2019, easy loader trailer, swing away tongue. You can get that one for 15,000 bucks, so that's a pretty good deal. So you get a 13200 Merc Pro XS, which I had a lot of success with up here. I don't know, maybe you guys around the world didn't have that much success with them. We didn't have many of them 200 Pro XSs die up here. But 193 Champion is a great boat. It's the elite model. Looked like it was in great shape. This one is tandem axle, dual console. Like I said, it's got all that stuff, 15,000 bucks. Doug's got that. If the boat is red and white, on here it's black and white because I don't have any color. But at least I know from the picture it was red and white. This one is not red and white, but the boat was in really good shape though. I know that. So that's why I had Jordan grab that one too. Just because I saw that one. For 15 grand, you'll be able to fish tournaments for this for a while. And if the Merc blows, you just put a new motor on it. And here we go, back to that again. You know what I mean? So but both these boats are pretty updated. You know, they had pretty good units on them, a little bit older. But like I said, they both are in really, really, really good shape. So you're getting a quality boat for a quarter of the price of the new ones, and you're able to get yourself into one. Let's do the ride fishability. Jordan's got all this stuff on here. Ride, we know it rides a 10 if we're going 1 through 10 on a Champion bass boat. Fishability, the fishability some people complain about because of the gas tanks are in the rear. You don't get that real shallow fishing. I would say it's probably about a 7-ish on fishability, depending on opinion. On my opinion, never had a problem with it. Fished up here, drug them through lots of loon shit, mud, whatever you want to call it. Quality of the boat is, in my eyes, one of the best ones made back in the day. They did have some transom problems because of certain things that happened, but it's not that bad of a fix. Speed, you're going to be right there. It's not going to be a 10. It's probably going to be an 8, 9-ish, 10, depending on who's driving. Intangibles, I don't know what the hell you mean by intangibles, so I'm just going to throw that away. It's gone. Value, overall value, you're going to be at the plus, I think, with these two boats. 15,000, 17,000, you're well ahead. You can repower, you're still going to be ahead. You're going to have the warranty of the engine, so you're going to have longevity of the boat. So if you're looking at a loan, la-di-da-da, this, that, and the other, I think you're still going to be able to get value for boat, per motor. By the time you're all done, you're still going to have some equity in the boat by the time you're done, even at 30 grand. Granted, the boat's getting older, but what can you buy for 30 grand? Is that settled? Did I just hear the anvil hit the schwack? I think so. So in the end, like I said, you're gonna get the warranty with the engine that you buy, and you got the boat, which is a great boat as long as you maintain it, put it in the garage once in a while, wipe it down, get the loon shit, snot, piss, vinegar, all the garbage off the side of the boat, take care of it. Maybe we can wipe down the trailer a little bit, check your wheel bearing so the tire doesn't pass you on the interstate. That's important, because when you're going 70 and it goes by you at 90, that's a f***ing bad day. You don't want that to happen. Take your time, make sure you check that stuff. It's real easy. It's called maintenance, okay? And you'd have a really good boat for a long time. So the ride's a 10, fishability's about a 7, quality's about an 8, 9-ish for that era, speed's about an 8, 9 probably. Quality might be a 10. Intangibles we don't give a shit about, don't even know what you're talking about, and value is definitely, I think, 9, 10. So if I screwed that up, that's too bad, but those are my numbers and I'm sticking to them right now. All right, so you want to know the intangible thing? I just got yelled at by Jordan for throwing the intangible thing away. So it's basically what he's saying is modernized and that type of stuff or whatever. They are extremely close to from back in the 2000s and 99, late 90s, they are like new looking. They really are. So you're not sitting in a 1941 Chevy pickup truck per my son who has one in the garage, but you're sitting in a boat that's from the late 90s, early 2000s that looks as modern as today's boats. So intangible is there that, that's kind of what I'm going with. And probably intangible is a big deck. I mean, they all came with that giant deck that was super fun to fish off of. So you got the 99 193 for 15 grand in Arkansas. Give Doug a call, find it on BassBoatCentral. And then you got the 2000 203 Elite. They're both Elite packages with the 07 E-Tech that's gonna blow up. We just get rid of that, throw that in the garbage, and you'll have a really good boat. But I think you could run that E-Tech for a little bit until you run out of XD100 because it's $99 a gallon or some shit now. Because that's the world we live in. It's a great world we live in. But go check them out. Get on there. Send Al a message for me. Send him season's greetings. Andy from Team Marine says happy holidays, season greetings. Hope everything's going well for the BassBoatCentral family. Once again, thanks Al for allowing me to come on and grab some info. Okay? Yeah, I went BassBoatCentral. 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 I think I said it 100 times. Okay, Al, BassBoatCentral. But there you go. There it is. Blast from the past that you wanted, champion style. Champion style, if you know what I mean. 203, 193. Lots of good threes going on there. Go over there, take a look. I hope you enjoyed it. Just giving you a little push back here, allowing you to, because I had a lot of comments of guys, people, women, everybody saying they like this series because they can't afford the $100,000 rig. So they like this series. So that's what we want. If you want to see something else, blast from the past, comment right down here. I want to see a Tidecraft. Probably not going to happen, but I might if we get enough people to say they want to see a Tidecraft. Or maybe you want to see Mason's favorite boat, which is a winner, because he's a winner. Mason has a winter boat. He loves it. It's his bass fishing classic boat. He's got a 70-horse Sprint on the back, brought to you by Johnson. It runs once in a while. It leaks oil. It sheens. He pollutes more than anybody I know. He's got a spot on the floor he stands and casts with. What? What? Well, they'll see it. They'll see it. I won't tell you no more because it's such a kick-ass boat. But, and the trailer thing with the tire going by, it might be true for Mason. You never know. But you'll have to ask him someday when he's on camera. So, as always, I hope you enjoyed it. Comment, subscribe, click the notification bell to witness the madness that now Mason Viner is soon to say. He's going to wear a t-shirt. Actually, he got a tattoo the other day underneath his left nipple that says speed, money, and no brakes. Push the button and he'll scream. Hope you all enjoy it. See ya. Bye.